Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to start using ePages for beginners in 2024. So today we're going to learn how to start using ePages. ePages is a powerful e-commerce platform that helps you build and manage your online store with ease. Whether you are just starting out or an expertise in this tutorial will help you out. So make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open that browser, basically, just go to this URL section. All you need to do just type ePages and hit the enter button. Once you do so, you'll find yourself here. Click on the first link, epages.com. Make sure it's not a sponsor or something like that. As you can see, e-commerce platform for SMVs. Once you click on it, you'll find yourself in the home screen or main screen of their website right away. If you don't know nothing about this, make sure to take some time to learn about it, like in the home screen, like create your online shop in the cloud. ePages is one of the world's most popular solutions for selling online. We live and breathe e-commerce, and we're passionate about bringing your retail plans to life. With state-of-art ePages Now software, it's easy to build a professional quality shop as unique as you are. So you can go here and click on Discover New Pages. Now, as you can see here, ePages Award Champion for the fourth year in a row. And get to know ePages example, so you'll be able to sell online, design your shop, add products, add content to your shop, search engine optimization, SEO, and as you can see, delivery method. Each option has a small video about it. You can watch us out to understand more about it. And here, as you can see, start selling with our high performance e-commerce solution. So you can start selling online. More than 100,000 companies trust ePages. You can showcase example merchant over 70 countries are already using ePages shop software. So tips and tutorials for your online shop, the best apps and integrations also they have, and choose your products package now. You can view offers from here. As you can see, Google, it seems like a partner with them. So basically, you can simply just go and click on login at the top right corner if somehow you have an account. But if you don't have an account, go and click on get started and set to create your new account. So as example, you'll be able to test for 30 days free of charge and without obligation. No payment details required and no own domain required. So basically just start by filling up your email address, as simple as that. Then you'll have to go and fill up a password. Make sure it contains at least 8 characters. Of course, if you add more things, as you can see from this line here, it will show that how strong it is. So keep that in mind, that example. And here you'll have to enter the shop name. Your online shop has a free ePages domain. And shop, it's going to be basically an example shop name.shop epages.co.uk. So after registration, you can also connect your own domain to the shop if you wish and if you have one. So for me at the moment, I'll just name it Omics and see if it's available. Then go and click on create a store. As you can see, the name of the system domain can only contain lowercase like characters, and adjust the name, please. So here, just go. Of course, it seems like I'll have to enter the password again. So why not? And the shop name. Okay, I'll just do lowercase characters and click on create an account. And let's see. So of course, if you click on create a shop, you agree to terms and conditions in terms of use of the data and declaration of ePages. Make sure to read them out if you care about what they're doing with your data and etc. So as you can see, your shop, your online shop has been successfully created. You have just received a confirmation and your access data by email. This is how it goes. Create your online like shop that fits your business perfectly, easily and without any programming language. You can then log into the customer portal with your access data and set up your online store, manage your domain, and other settings more elegant. After 30 days test phase, you can also opt for one of our packages there. And as you can see, you can just go to the login here and the login credentials as an example. So of course, first of all, you'll have to go like to your email provider, which is in my case here is Gmail. So just go here to Gmail, and as you can see, they send me something here. So welcome to ePages. To log in, you'll have to go basically here. Tips to set up your shop as an example. So how to start, you can start or how you can sell online with your online shop as an example. Quick start guide. as an example, help center, and we hire help to help as an example. So basically an email that's will help you out. So example here, you'll be able to log in, but as you can see, you'll find yourself already like logged in, so you don't need to do so. And as you can see here, you'll have access to your dashboard, to your online shop as an example, and wait, so to your online shop here, to your domain emails, to invoices and support. So I'll just go again to ePages like .com right away to show you like the plans that they have as example. So pricing here, after like 30 like days, you'll have to go and choose one of the plans, like this now S or now M or now L or now XL. It's like just clothing. So the price of it, as you can see, each of it's here, and the features that comes with this: number of products, internationalization, and like example, those support just one language, this two, this up to 15. Example, like some marketplace, a lot of features that comes here with each plan, so you can go and check the one that suits your need after, of course, the 30 days. Then once you choose the one that suits your need, you can simply choose it and start paying for it. So as you can see, this is for your online first online like sales. This is your professional online store. This is more turnover through Amazon and eBay, and this flexible e-commerce without limits. As you can see, it's going to be 75 pounds. Going to be around like, I don't know, maybe 80 or $85 or something like that. So as you can see in here, we are on the domains and email. If you want to just go and add the domain, here are my invoices, here the support. Basically, if you need any support, as you can see, if you can like submit a new request or support requests that you have, you can simply see it from here. And here, from here, you can go to the shop administration. Let me just go here back to the dashboard while this loads. Of course, I don't need this anymore. And as you can see in administration here, you'll basically have to fill up your shop data, starting by the name as example of it, like the surname as example. So I'll just enter something like that. Then you have to enter the country as example. So just let's say United Kingdom address. You'll have to enter that out. Email address, of course, you'll have to enter that out also. So let me just go and do that in here, like gmail.com. And the shop name as example, just name it again, Omex here. And logo, of course, you can choose the logo. If you choose as example, make sure it's 200 pixels per 200, because if it's not, it's gonna look bad. This is not the same like size, so it's not gonna look as good, but it's fine. I'll just go here and click on create a shop as an example. And as you can see here, once you are in administration, it's basically now up to you. You can simply just do whatever you want. As you can see, welcome to your shop. They will give you even some videos on how to choose your shop design, how to add categories, how to add products, how to edit some legal pages, and even how to prepare yourself for lunch. If you go through all of it, as an example, you will be ready to launch your store. You can even skip them all if you're already good with that, and you can do it by yourself. So yeah, from here you can view your shop, and your shop is closed. You can open it whenever you want. And yeah, that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.